Want to make thumbnails that grab attention without spending a little single dollar? Stick around because today I'm going to share free tools that can help you design thumbnails like a pro. No fancy software required. Whether you're a YouTuber, a digital marketer, or just starting out, your thumbnail is the very first impression viewers get. A good thumbnail can literally be the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. First up, our favorite, Canva. Canva is probably the most beginner-friendly design tool out there. It has ready-made YouTube thumbnail templates, drag and drop features, and tons of fonts and graphics. The free version is more than enough for clean, professional designs. Plus, you don't need to be a designer to use it. Everything is click and edit. Next is Adobe Express. Think of it as Adobe's free, simplified version of Photoshop. It's a web-based, so you don't need to download heavy software. And it comes with a variety of pre-made templates for thumbnails. If you want a polished look with a bit of more customization, this is a solid choice. Another option is Fotor, which is great for quick photo editing and adding text to image. If you're comfortable with Photoshop, like layout, then try Photopea. It's completely free and works right in your browser, giving you pro-level editing tools without needing Photoshop at all. Whichever tool you choose, keep these quick tips in mind. Use bold, easy-to-read text, high contrast colors stand out the best, add a close-up face or strong graphic to make it pop, and always keep it simple, don't overcrowd your design. So, those are the 3 free tools to create thumbnails that look professional and get clicks. Which one will you try first? Canva, Adobe Express, or Photopea? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe for more free digital tools. Bye-bye!